All right, welcome to another sculpting video. I'm super excited today because I'm making these little mushrooms. They're inspired by the new Mario movie that just came out a little bit ago. And I just wanted to show you guys how I made them and also kind of talk about how you can start making polymer clay earrings. It's super easy and you just need a few different kinds of supplies. And yeah, so let's get started. You need polymer clay. So I go to Michael's craft store and I pick from Fimo and Sculpt Primo. Those two are my favorite clays to work with. There are a few more that you can pick from in different kind of craft stores you can go to get some. So you want to start with your clay and then you want to get ideas. I go to Pinterest because they just have all the ideas for crafting on Pinterest. It really is like the best place to find creativity and just think of like creative thoughts. So I make boards of different holidays for earring or jewelry findings. You're going to need to use head pins or eye pins. I'm using eye pins in this video. You can see it here. And those two items are just kind of used to hook on your charm to the earring hooks. To do that, you're going to need a jump ring, which is like a tiny little loop, and then your earring hook. You can also get clip-on earrings if you don't have your ears pierced, or you can just turn them into a charm. You don't have to make these into earrings or anything. You can also use paint. I'm just using like simple acrylic paint, and then you can see me glazing with Sculpt's gloss glaze. This kind of makes it like really shiny and nice, and I just love it. It just makes it look more professional in my opinion. And yeah, so attach on your little earring hooks with your jump rings and then you're all set. You kind of can just make whatever your heart desires. So subscribe for more videos, and I'm really glad Kiwi didn't interrupt this video this time. So that was nice. So yeah, bye.